Hello guys, welcome back to Perceptive Pop. I bought the Pulsar F250 few months back. It is a wonderful motorcycle. But the stock mirrors placed on the fairing didn't prove to be convenient to me. The main reason is if you keep the mirrors in the open position, they protrude outside the width of the motorcycle. So the mirrors get hit very often whenever someone overtakes you or in heavy traffic. And if you keep the mirrors closed, you can't see anything behind. Other disadvantages with those mirrors are on the screen. I guess other F250 owners would have also faced some or all of these issues. So after good research and scratching my head, I came to this decision of installing NS 200 mirrors. I could have also gone for bar end mirrors, but good quality convex bar end mirrors are quite expensive, and I had to solve my problem on a budget. Plus, normal handlebar mirrors provide the best view of what's behind, without taking off eyes from the road. You can also go for more expensive bar-end mirrors, Dominar UG or N250 mirrors and Yoke, if you're free from budget constraints. Procedure for installing the RH mirror is very much simple. You just need to replace half yoke. But for installing the LH mirror you need to open bar-end weights, handle grips, control switch, clutch switch, lever and yoke. Important thing to note is, the threads of the screw that holds the clutch lever on the clutch yoke are slightly different for F250 and NS 200. So you'll have to arrange a screw that fits the NS 200 yoke. I have mentioned the parts required in the description with part numbers. You can get these parts easily at any authorized Bajaj spare parts shop. Please ensure genuineness before buying any part of any vehicle. I couldn't record the complete installation process since I was doing everything alone. Wish I had a beautiful assistant. Comment down below if you want me to record and upload a video guiding the installation steps. Anyway, the issues that I was facing with the stock mirrors are completely resolved with these new ones, without ruining the looks of the motorcycle, and that too under Rs700. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment down for any doubts.